In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the sophistication of a database, allowing you to organize anything. Whether you're managing projects, tracking inventory, or planning an event, knowing how to efficiently add rows can streamline your workflow. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Airtable base. This is where all the magic happens. Open up your browser and head over to Airtable's website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all your bases. Click on the base you want to work with. This will open up your workspace, revealing all the tables and records you've set up. Now, let's move on to the record selection. Within your chosen base, identify the table where you want to add a new row. Click on this table to open it up. You'll see a list of records organized in rows and columns, much like a traditional spreadsheet. Find the exact spot where you want to add your new row. This could be between existing rows or at the very end of your list. Once you've pinpointed where the new row should go, it's time to add it. Hover your mouse over the row above or below the spot where you want the new one. Right-click on that row and a menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll see options that allow you to add a record either above or below the selected row. Choose the option that suits your needs. If you're adding to the end of the table, simply select to add a new record below. And there you have it! Your new row is now part of your table, ready for you to fill in with all the details you need. It's as simple as that. Remember, you can always edit the contents of any cell by clicking on it and typing, just like you would in any other spreadsheet program. Adding rows in Airtable is a straightforward process, but it's essential to know for keeping your tables up to date and organized. By following these steps, you can ensure your information is always well structured and easily accessible. Practice this a few times and you'll find it becomes second nature. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to add a row in Airtable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to make the most out of your Airtable experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital tools. See you in the next video.